ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଏଜୁକେशन ସର୍ଭିସ୍ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରାଯାଉଛି। ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରାଗ୍ମାଟିଜିମ୍ ଉପରେ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ। ସୋ ଆଜିକା କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ଆମେ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସିଆଲିଜିମ୍ ଯାହାକି ଆମର ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦି କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପୋରାରୀ ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଏଜୁକେସନାଲ ଥଟ୍ର OES ସ୍କୁଲ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ପାଇଁ ମହତ୍ତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅଟେ। ସୋ ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା ଆଜିର କ୍ଲାସ୍ଟା। ସୋ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ୍ ଫିଲୋସଫିକୁ ଆଜି ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛେ, ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ କହିଥାଉ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସିଆଲିଜିମ୍, ଯାହାକି ଏଜୁକେସନରେ ତାର କ'ଣ ମହତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଅଛି ତାହାକୁ ଆମେ ବିସ୍ତୃତ ଭାବରେ ଦେଖିବା। ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ୟାଗଲାଇନ୍କୁ ମନେ ରଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ପ୍ରିସିଡ୍ ଏସେନ୍ସ, ଯାହାର ମିନିଂ ହେଉଛି କି ଆମର ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସଟା ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆସିଥାଏ, ଦେନ୍ ଆମର ଏସେନ୍ସ ପରେ ତାହା ଡେଭଲପ୍ ହେଇଥାଏ। ସୋ ଆମର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସିଆଲିଜିମ୍। ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସିଆଲିଜିମ୍ କହିଲେ ଆମର ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସିଆଲିଜିମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ମଡର୍ନ ଫିଲୋସଫି focused on the individual freedom, personal responsibility, findings meanings in the life. It believes we are the not born with a fixed purpose. What creates it through our choice. सो यार एक्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म रो हमरो मीनिंग टा मिलगला। देन हम तो किछि की पॉइंट को हमें डिस्कस करिबा। कंसर्न विथ द सेल्फ डिस्कवरी, हमरो एक्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म टा सेल्फ डिस्कवरी ऊपर, फ्रीडम ऑफ विल ऊपर डिपेंड करि थाए। एंड मीनिंग बेस्ड, हमरो कोन से जिनिस मीनिंग ऊपर ता कंसर्न रहि थाए। हैज बोथ थिस्टिक्स एंड एथिस्टिक branch. Life is the subjective experience through emotion, pain, inner reflection, reject rigid system that suppress individuality. So हम आउट कोटेशन को देखिबा, जाकि सोरेन किरकेगार्ड हमको प्रदान करिसंती। Life is not a problem to solve but a reality to be experienced. हमको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करिया पय लाइफ नहीं, बट हमको रियलिटी को एक्सपीरियंस करिबा पय बोली कहिसंती से। देन आमे मेजर किछि थिंकर्स कर कोटेशन गुडा को मध्य देखि नेबा। सो सोरेन किरकेगार्ड कहिसंती फादर ऑफ एक्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म बोली करे जिते। सोरेन को हमरो फादर ऑफ एक्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म कहा जाइथे। से एम्फासिस बोथ फेथ एंड इनर चॉइस, एम्फासिस करथिले हमरो फेथ और इनर चॉइस को। देन हमरो फेड्रिक्स Nietzsche कहिसंती spoke about the self overcoming and the authenticity. Self overcoming हमको वर्ड पड़िबो, मन रखिबो पड़िबो। देन ऑथेंटिसिटी ऊपर से फोकस करिसंती। हम जेमिति प्रीवियस रे देखुथिले कि एक्जिस्टेंस प्रिसिड एसेंस, जे कि हमरो जेन पॉल सार्ट्रे दैसंती। देन मार्टिन हाइडेगर्स कहिसंती फोकस्ड ऑन बीइंग आवर रिलेशन टू बी विथ द वर्ल्ड। गैब्रियल मार्शल कहिसंती से गोटे कॉइन टर्म को डिस्कवर करते जाउची हमर एक्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म। एक्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म वर्डटा से कॉइन करथिले हमर गैब्रियल मार्शल। देन हमर की टेंस ऑफ द एक्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म, एक्जिस्टेंस प्रीसीड एसेंस, जाके हम प्रीवियसली भी देखिथिले। We are not born with a predefined nature. We define ourselves through our action. Then आमे freedom and responsibility कथा देखिबा। Freedom to choose also means of accepting the consequence of those choices. Then alienation and the nothingness and absurdity. Until we define the personal meaning, life feels absurd, alienation and the commons when the hide our true self. Then हमें एक्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म इन एजुकेशन, हमरो ए जगह में की टेंस गुडा को देखिले तार वर्ड गुडा को कीवर्ड्स गुडा को हमको ए जगह मन रखिबो पड़िबो। देन हमें एक्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म इन एजुकेशन को जीवा। तो फर्स्ट हमरो एम रहिछि, एम ऑफ द एजुकेशन हैला हमरो एनकरेज द सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन, इमोशनल अवेयरनेस, develop the authentic character, individual response personality, helps learner explore the infinite responsibilities of their freedom, appreciate the uniqueness of each student. Then our curriculum रहिबो, Curriculum must be reflect to the human need and not the rigid content. Reflect କରୁଥିବା କଥା ଆମର human needs ଉପରେ, then not the rigid content. Rigid content ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ହେବା କଥା ନୁହଁ, flexible ହେବା କଥା. Subject ରହିବ ଆମର art, literature, humanities, history, social science, philosophy. Reject the irrelevant or the mechanical content. ଆମର curriculum ରହିବ flexible curriculum ହେବା କଥା, choice based, allow the vocational trainings, avoid କରିବା କଥା ଆମର one size fit all models. One size fit all model को हमको avoid କରିବାକୁ पड़िବ. Method of teaching according to existentialism ରହିବ ଆମର teaching method must support the independence and the reflection. Method includes the Socratic and dialogic methods, that is ଆମେ question answer କହିଥାଉ. Reflection based learning ହେବା କଥା, discovery learning, observation and the self based instruction. Student voice matter, allow the questioning, debates and the freedom of the opinion. ଆମକୁ allow କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ questioning କରିବାକୁ. Student ମାନେ ଯେମିତି question କରିବେ, debate କରିବେ, freedom ରହିବା କଥା ସେମାନଙ୍କର, ସେମାନେ opinion ଦେଇପାରିବେ. Existentialism reject group methods, maybe suppress individuality. Group method को reject କରିଥାଏ. ସେପରି overuse of the technology को ମଧ୍ୟ reject କରିଥାଏ. Reduce the human contact with the technology. ଆମେ କେମିତି କମ୍ technology use କରିବା ତାହାକୁ ସେ promote କରିଥାଏ. overuse କରିବାକୁ ସେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେ ନାହିଁ. Then ଆମର rule of the teacher and the student. Teacher rule ଗୋଟେ guide ହିସାବରେ ରହିବା କଥା, commander ହିସାବରେ ନୁହଁ. Encourage the authenticity and the creativity. Support independent thinking. ନିଶ୍ଚୟ କହିଛନ୍ତି teacher should liberate and empower individuals. So ଆମର student ମାନେ ରହିବେ independent ରହିବେ, self discovering methods ସେମାନଙ୍କ ରହିବ. Then ଆମର rule of the rule ଆମର student ମାନଙ୍କର rule କେମିତି ରହିବା କଥା, must free to express, choose and the to be accountable, should become the self reliant and the self aware. Awareness ରହିବା କଥା, self reliant ହେବା କଥା student ମାନେ, free to express କରିବାର କଥା, choose କରିବାର କଥା, accountable ରହିବା କଥା. So school environment and discipline. The school should be a space for the personal growth, not the control. School environment ଗୋଟେ personal growth କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେବ, ଯେମିତି ସେମିତି ହେବା କଥା. Then democratic freedom based learning atmosphere ହେବା କଥା. Discipline through self regulation, not punishment. Avoid the over reliance on the machine and the technology, focused on the personal interaction. Our conclusion को then पढ़े आसिबा. Existentialism teaches that the education is not about just about learning, it about the becomings. In the world full of the distraction, it determined to the look inward and the take responsibility and the life with meanings. So existentialism ଆମେ discuss କରିले, तार meaning, nature कौन रहिबो, तार aim of education, तार curriculum कौन रहिबो, rule of the teacher सब कथा discuss କରିले. And ଆମେ କିଛି MCQ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଠାରେ କରିନେବା. About 15 MCQ ରହିଛି ଉପରେ existentialism ଉପରେ. So first ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ who is considered as the father of existentialism. Father of existentialism କହିଛି ଆମର Soren Kierkegaard, ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମର father of existentialism. So ଆମକୁ ମନେ ପଡ଼ିବ Soren Kierkegaard. Then ଆମେ what is the central belief of existentialism. Central belief जो ଆମେ tagline ଟା ଆମେ ରଖିଥିଲେ, existence precedes essence, ହେଉଛି ଆମର central belief existentialism. Existentialist philosophy give the primary importance to. ଆମର existentialist କ'ଣ primary importance ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି କହିଲେ ଆମେ emotional and the subjective experience ଉପରେ importance ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି, not the social rules, scientific reasoning, religious dogma. Which of the following is not the characteristic trait of the existentialism? इस जगह हमारा objective reality is not a characteristic trait of the existentialism, but the freedom of choice ରହିବ ଆମର alienation and absurdity and responsibility ମଧ୍ୟ ରହିବ ଯାହାକି ଆମେ already discuss କରିସାରିଛେ। According to existentialism, education should primarily aim to self-realization and the emotional awareness। ଆମର self-realization individual freedom ଉପରେ depend କରିଥାଏ ଆମର existentialism ଟା, but the memorizing fact ଉପରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେନି, promoting the group conformity ଉପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେନି, passing standardized test no। So our answer is self-realization and the emotional awareness। Which method of the teaching is most closely associated with existentialism? Existentialism टा ଆମର discovery methods ଉପରେ associate ରହିଥାଏ। Which philosopher said that the teacher's duty is to liberate and empower individual toward the authentic life? ନିଶ୍ଚୟ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଏହା। So ଆମର ମନେ ପଡ଼ିବ ଏଇଟା ଲାଇନଟାକୁ, liberate and empower the individual toward authentic life, that is Nietzsche। According to the existentialism, which of the following should be nature of the school discipline? School discipline, that is our democratic and the freedom based। democratic ରହିବ ଏବଂ freedom based ରହିବ ଆମର discipline ଟା। Existentialism reject which of the following? Existentialism ଟା ଆମର predetermined curriculum को reject କରିଥାଏ। ଆମର existentialism value the personal choice ରହିବା କଥା, beliefs and the learning should be purely subject rather than full rigid curriculum। flexible curriculum ରହିଥିବା କଥା, predetermined ହେବା କଥା ନୁହଁ, choice based personal choice ରହିବା କଥା curriculum ଉପରେ। So existentialism ଟା reject କରିଥାଏ ଆମର predefined curriculum। The feelings of the nothingness and the absurdity of the existentialism implies life is meaningless unless we create our own meanings। What role does the teacher play in the existentialist classroom? Classroom teacher role play କରିଥାନ୍ତି as a facilitator and guide to authenticity। Which subject are the most emphasized in the existentialist curriculum? In existentialist curriculum रे हमरो literatures, philosophy, humanities टा रहिଥାଏ। Existentialism discourage the use of the technology in the classroom because it reduce the personal interaction। जेहेतु हमर personal interaction टा कमी जाय थाए, सेति पई ओवर यूज ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी हम विश्वास करे नहीं, डिस्करेज करी थाए, एनकरेज करे नहीं, डिस्करेज करे existentialism philosophy टा। Then amara rahichi what kind of the learning space does existentialism support? Self-paced learning को support करिଥାଏ, competitive, uniform, fast track को विश्वास करे नहीं हमारे existentialism। self-paced learning करे existentialism support करिଥାଏ, encourage करिଥାଏ। What is the existentialist view on the group learning method? Group learning method को हमरो reject due to the risks of losing individuality। जेहेतु हमरो existentialism टा individuality ऊपर मोर अधिका फोकस करिଥାଏ, सो हम ग्रुप लर्निंग कले हमरो individuality टा लॉस हे जीवो। सो इट्स reject the group learning and due to the risks of losing individuality। So हमें existentialism पूरे हमरो educational aim objective कोन है सब डिस्कस कले। देन हमें 15 टा MCQ ମଧ୍ୟ कले। सो आज का क्लास रे एतिकरे समाप्त करिवा। सो चैनल सहित जोड़ी कि रहंतु, रेगुलर क्लास अटेंड करंतु। सो थैंक यू एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करबा को हमारे भूलिबनी। थैंक यू।